What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unboxing the new Jordan 5 Fire Red. Let's unbox the shoe. Here is the box. So size 8. By the way, I got this pair from Titan. So yeah, they sell all kinds of basketball shoes, different brands, from Nike to Jordans to Adidas to Puma. So if you want to buy sneakers, you can check Titan. Okay, so this is the shoes. As you can see, it's a little bulky and chunky. It's a little bit heavy. This is made up of leather, synthetic leather. It's a mixture of white, and then there's a black, and this is the fire red. So that's why it's called fire red. The history was it was 30 years ago when Michael Jordan beats the Cleveland Cavaliers. He was wearing these shoes when he scores. I think, I'm not sure about the exact number, but it's more likely 60 points or less or more. I'm not sure. Okay, please correct me if I'm wrong. That's why I like these shoes. It's because of the history and also the look of it. It's just a simple white shoes you can wear on the court, off the court. But for me, I won't use this for basketball. I want to preserve it. I haven't tried it on. I don't know what it feels like on feet, and I'm not sure if it's comfortable. That's it. Let me know what you think about the shoes. Did you cop it or did you pass on it to the Jordan 5 Fire Red? So thank you for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye.